Hey YouTube, what's up? NetworkHackerTV here. Today, I'm just going to be making this quick screen cleaning tutorial, if you will. And as you see, my screen is pretty dirty, and it doesn't look very attractive. It has like a I don't know, like a plastic finish, and then the outer border is glossy. And as you know, glossy is a fingerprint magnet. But to clean the screen, it's best to have a micro towel thing, micro paper, if you will, with water. And you don't need no type of cleaning products or nothing, just tap water will work fine. And once again, you'll need this micro fiber cleaning cloth. So there's no need to dry it. All you have to do is just rub it over your monitor. Don't press too hard, but just hard enough. So just go back and forth just till it's clean enough. So let's see here, and you see there'll be marks, but they'll disappear. You just want to get it clean enough. Alright, and just let the water absorb or go away. And then you see the monitor looks still a little bit dirty, but it's way cleaner than before. So just get in that middle spot again and let that go away. Now while that's going away, clean the outer border too, the glossy border. So I have touch sensitive buttons, so I don't want to press too hard, but you just go around the border, press a little bit harder because it's not the screen, so we can press hard. Alright, and I turned on the monitor by mistake because the buttons, but let me just turn it off. Alright, and it looks way better, much cleaner, and all we used was a microfiber cloth and water. So that's the best way, the cheapest way, and the most efficient way to clean your monitor. And my monitor looks brand new. Let me just clean the base, and it looks very good. Alright, so that's how to clean your monitor for a very good price. You can find these on Amazon or Radio Shack, Best Buy, Walmart, or anywhere that you guys go to, Target, whatever. And then there you go. So that's how to clean your monitor. Do it yourself. Comment telling me how it worked out for you, and have a nice day.